Alright, just another quick unboxing video from Cube Controls. Alright, let's see what it is. Alright, so it's their new AMG wheel designed by Cube Controls. I guess they'll be updating the new Gt3 Benz, and the wheel will look closer to this one. It's not an exact replica, but it's pretty close. So, and it's also, the real one is also made by Cube Controls. So let's get it out and get a closer look at it. And here we have the new AMG wheel. As usual, nice packaging. Make it real. And here's their wheel. So unlike the first one, these have an indent feel. Yeah, thumb encoders feel pretty tight. Let's check the paddle shifters. Nothing is sticking like others complain. So it seems like they fixed that. It didn't come with the quick release. It did get the quick release, however. So it should be in there. So that's our hardware, and the magnetic cord by SemiCube, the connection. It should be optional because I believe all of these new wheels have connected like Bluetooth, and this should be no different. Okay, so they did give us the quick release. All right. Not the quick release, the hub. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so let's take a look at the wheel. So this is the new wheel they'll be putting in the AMG. The one they had before was this one over here. This one is not made by SemiCube. You can tell by the 3D counterparts. But this is a very close replica of the current wheel that they have. And they'll be updating from that to that. So let's see the differences. Oh, can't stand that up. I like the logos, nice and not too big like this one. So yeah, there you have it. Moving from suede to silicone. All right, and that should be it.